Hi, everyone. My name's Craig, and we're going to be running through the Daisy Jones Showit template designed by Carol Hampshire, who's a seasoned designer with years of experience creating sites for very well known coaches globally. This template itself offers everything that you need to get your um, business online. It's well explained, and it's also strategic in the layout that it provides, which will give you inspiration for the content that you put in here, making it easy to just, simply replace placeholder text, images, and links of your own. So let's dive into it. So with the template, you're getting 5 pages. We'll run through them shortly. The home page, services page, the opt-in page, coming soon page, and then you also get the brand guide page. Starting off here with the home page, your hero, a bit of an intro, a freebie, the about you section. Carol's also added in some video here, which is eye-catching. And this section over here will be the ways to work with me. So the work with me section, which includes 2 offers, but also the third offer, which is a program offer. Okay. Like I said before, there's all these buttons over here. You can just click off to your payment gateways. Okay. And when people can sign up. It has a testimonial section, which is a slider. So it's added 3 testimonials in here. This is the picture and text testimonial template. And then down here at the bottom, book a discovery call. This could easily link off to any sort of booking site that you have going. Down here in the footer, let's go have a look at the program page. This is also like your services page. Okay, so having a look here, it's all pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, Carol has done many sites like this, so everything is all strategic. She has added in here already placeholder text that will give you a good idea of what you should be putting in here. And I'll also give you kind of like an idea of images that you should be putting in there. Right in here, we have the payment options section. Also, once again, these buttons, you can just easily, you'll be able to edit them, and then they can just go to your payment gateways. Okay. And once again, the picture testimonial section, about you. And then there will be 2 options to the FAQ section. This one that has the accordion, but also another section is just plain text. And then down here at the bottom, you have the book a discovery call. And then this is just like your last push over here. Okay. Let's jump into the coming soon page. This is something that you would just get up while you're busy working on your site, or you have someone that will be filling out, putting all the content in there for you if you don't feel like doing it yourself. But in the meantime, people can just either email you straight or just book another discovery call with you. And like I say, that would just go through to something like Calendly or something, Then the last one would... Okay, so that's and we haven't done okay, so let's just go back here quickly. The opt-in page. This is where you would just send people to get your freebie, and make some more sales pushes. Here is the different testimonial version of just the text. Okay, and once again, it's just a slider. Beautiful video in the background. Also, again, another intro to who you are, and the section option to sign up for your freebie. Then the last one, which I skipped out of and I'm skipping back in there, is your brand guide. This page will help you get an idea of everything about this template. Okay. So if you're starting here, this is the color palette that has been used and set up already in the template. Okay. There are licensed fonts, which you would have to, if you want to carry on using them, you would have to purchase them. And these will just easily link off to the places that the fonts have been purchased from. Okay. But let's say you don't want to buy some fonts. You can also, Carol's given you some ideas of fonts that you can use as substitutes. Okay. Um, these are both Google fonts. Okay. The Noto Serif and the Satisfy. And then these are free fonts that you should just go get yourself. This Matone and Montserrat is another Google font. So just, for your own licensing purposes. Okay. And then she's given you some ideas of where she's gotten some resources from. Okay. And then also where the stock images come from, Pixels, Unsplash, and Kaboom. And you can just go, it's good places to get some resources. Okay, then down here, you would also set this up yourself. It's a Instagram feed, so you would just link up your Instagram, and these are all your links and stuff. So it's a very, very clean template, but also very, very easy to edit. And this is the great thing about Showit. It makes it easy for people that don't even know coding to just get in there and create their own websites or easily edit templates. Okay. And following this video, there'll be some more videos showing you how to edit your Daisy Jones Showit template.